Cold soaking sucks. I've tried it. I wanted to like it. And every single time, I wish I had hot food. If cold soaking works for you, that's cool. But for me, cold soaking sucks. Let's see if you can change my mind. Now, before the comments start blaring in, I'm not somebody who's never tried it. I've cold soaked on short trips. If it was a quick overnight, or on trips where the weight really actually mattered to me. I get why people do it. I just don't enjoy it. I understand the argument. No stove, no fuel, no waiting, less weight, and fewer systems to manage. On paper, that totally makes sense, especially if you're chasing numbers, especially if you're dialing in your system, even if you just want to feel efficient. And I respect that. Here's where it falls apart for me. At the end of a long day, especially a cold day, cold food just feels like punishment. Not fuel, not comfort, but punishment. Hot food changes my mood. It slows me down. It really just marks the end of the day. Cold soaking just feels like I've never really arrived at camp. I'm standing there with a bag of lukewarm noodles thinking, cool, I guess this is dinner. And here's the part that really gets me. People talk about cold soaking like it's freedom. But for me, it feels like trading comfort for identity. Not the weight, not for performance, but who I'm supposed to think I am. Like, I'm ultralight, therefore I must cold soak. And I just don't buy that those two things have to be connected. To me, ultralight's not about suffering. It's about freedom. It's about hiking farther because I'm comfortable, not despite being miserable. And if carrying a few extra ounces means I look forward to dinner, that's a trade I'll make every time. But here's the thing. I'm not saying I'm right. I'm just saying this hasn't worked for me. So if cold soaking generally improves your trips, not just your spreadsheets, I want to hear why. Don't just tell me that I'm wrong. Tell me, what do you cold soak? When does it work the best for you? And why is it better for you than hot food? Because if there's something I'm missing, I'm open to being convinced. Cold soaking sucks. Change my mind.